this is just simple, very simple song to learn. The key is E. So we have on the E major. So if you play the scale of E major, we have two sharps, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, D sharp. So you're having. Okay, so let's start with the melody of the guitar. So we're having you start from the octave C, then to C sharp, then that's the whole thing. So let me start again. Then third, then to the fourth, to the sixth, fourth to the sixth, then to the fifth to the seventh, fifth to the seventh, then back to one. So everything all together is. So you're starting from the octave to the sixth, then to the third, fifth, to the third again, to the fifth again, then to the fourth, then to the sixth, to the fourth, to the sixth, then to the fifth, then to the seventh, then back to one. So all together. Then the left hand will start on, if you play the scale, you see that? So you're starting from the sixth, that's the first one, then third, very simple, to the fourth, and to the fifth. So that's the whole thing you're playing. Pa pa pita pita pa 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 pita tita pa da pita pita pa 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 pita pita. So if you play it together. So you speed it up that way. Then also, if you want to play it in full chord, you are playing chord 6. That's chord 6. Then chord 3. Then to 4. And very good chord progression. Sounds so emotional, at the same time more fun. So 6. Da 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 da. 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Equally, you can decide to add your chord. You can add the sixth if you want. You can add the seventh if you want. You can still stay here playing chord 3, then chord 4. You can see I'm holding down more of the fifth degree of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then to my 5, you can play the 5 this way if you want, or you play this way. Can even play this way, just that it's a bit open. So all together, if you're a background pianist, you can play chord 6 like this, chord 3. Watch my hand, just little change on my right hand. Very nice, so emotional. And when you add rhythm to it, it's very fun. And that's all. So if you play it together with the loop, so if you are the auxiliary pianist or the player or the background pianist, 6, you're in 2, 2, 2, 6, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. That's all. So if you play together with the loop, it sounds very fun and more vibing. You can add more vibe to it. So if you want the loop, you can put your comment and I will definitely send it to you. All right, bye for now.